blue pa yan, ah. Okay.
Then I put like eyes. Right now, I'm gonna paint this.
Try other colors naman.
I need pink. What is white?
You wash muna the brush. Then that's the time you dip on the pink. Oh, you make a purple kasi may blue na siya na mix.
Where's the purple?
Ah, the blue and and pink become purple. No?
I put it there. Why become bright?
Ito ka naman sa kabila, oh. Dito. What do you want to draw?
I draw a little kid.
What's that?
A little kid.
A little kids. Okay.
Then I draw her feet. Here's her feet. I need a little bit black. Okay. A little bit black mommy. A little bit black. It's a monster.
Yeah, it's become monster na. It's okay.
That's me, mommy. It's me. That's a monster.
Yeah. You're a monster? You're not a monster.
I'm just gonna play with
You're
it.
Chloe.
Then here's my just little bit of hair. I'm Rumi.
How about a red?
How about the red? Where?
Yeah,
Where's
red.
the red?
You know what is red? Oh, which one is red?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, you make basa muna. Don't dip there. Choose another color.
I need this? Red. Wow. I can do it.
One more. You dip here. You wash the brush. Then, dip in the red.
What look like blood? It's like that blood.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Blood is red, diba? Purple again.
And then purple.
How about some green and yellow?
My eyes. There. Hi, I'm crying. Done. Only purple.
Yellow. Try some bright color. Yellow. You put some bright color na the yellow one. Orange and pink. Dito naman sa ibang area, wag sa isang lang. Diba? You draw a heart.
I need also black.
Black again? So many black na.
At I will need to go.
What's that?
It's a leg.
Legs?
And then
Okay.
this is gun.
Can I also paint?
Yeah.
Okay.
Later.
After you, mommy naman mag-paint.
I would write pink. And I'll put it.
Oh, it's a heart.
Yes?
You almost create a heart.
Because this can just right there. Like this.
Huwag mo masyado yan.
I'm gonna put this.
Masisira yung brush mo. What are you trying to paint? What's that?
I'm trying to make a monster.
No. What monster? Why don't you draw a flower? A
I drew a
cloud?
monster na.
Okay.
So I
How about
need
a flower? A colorful flower.
maybe this? Red, yes.
Tama na dyan. Dito ka naman. All black na yan eh.
Monsters weird. So I'm gonna put the monster a little bit, a pink, a little bit pink. Eyes, big eyes. Then we need
Seryoso naman ang painter na yan.
this. Then put this on here. This is the painter, and then I will just get blue. No, blue. I need blue. Yes, I need blue. Okay, blue.
Ano na yan? You
And
should
then-
put yellow so that there's a light on the dark yellow. You, ano muna, wait. You banlaw mabuti. Then yellow.
The yellow.
Yellow, yeah. Make ano, like a stars in the sky.
The sky.
Tuldok. Yan. Oh, wag mo na ikalat. Ganun, oh. Oh, get again, yellow. Damihan mo. More yellow, please.
Done.
More yellow.
No, I'm gonna put
This one yellow.
right, and then I'll put more socks. I need blue.
Ano na yan, nak? Blue. Mauubos na yung blue mo. Ibang kulay naman. Don't mess it. Do you like the blue?
Yeah, I like blues.
Yan, ganyan.